Alright, today we're going to walk you through how to depin a Sumitomo HX 040 series sealed connector. This connector is often used in the later model Kawasaki's. First thing you want to do is we want to remove this gray color cap. If you look at it from one end, you're going to see a little notch cut out right here. You're going to use a depinning tool, or you could probably get away with a little very tiny small screwdriver. You're gonna go in there, you're gonna pry up. That should release the cap, then you're gonna pop it out. Next, you're gonna look into this two little holes right here. Each one of them has the locking tab for the pin. I try to put a picture up with better lighting. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna lift up on the tab, and then that should release the pin out from the back. So you're going to do this type of motion. Go in and then lift up. And then you should be able to pull it out from the back. And then to put it back in, you just do the opposite. Push it into here, click, and then reinstall this cap.